India's Enforcement Directorate has revealed new information about the Goa nightclub Birch by Romeo Lane, where 25 people were killed in a fire on the 6th of December last year. The ED says that the club generated 22 crore rupees in revenue over the last 2 fiscal years. The ED also says that this revenue is suspected to constitute proceeds of crime. Birch by Romeo Lane and its owners Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra have been under investigation since the deadly fire in December. Amid the subsequent investigations into the fire, the Goa police say that it lacked basic fire safety measures and had no emergency exits. The police say that despite not adhering to building and safety codes, the club was allowed to operate because it acquired trade licenses based on forged documents. The club's owners and partners and several local officials in Goa's Arpora, where the club was located, are under investigation, and this includes the former Sarpanch of the village, Panchayat Arpora Nagao. Also the former Panchayat secretary. These officials are alleged to have given the club the dubious trade licenses and no objection certificates. All these individuals are being investigated by the ED, which is looking into alleged money laundering activities. The ED conducted 9 raids across properties linked to all the suspects on Friday. The raids took place in Goa, Delhi and Gurugram. It is after these raids that the ED disclosed the club's revenue figures, saying that it generated 22 crores over 2 fiscal years, as I mentioned earlier as well. The ED also says that its probe has unearthed other details of the club's finances. The agency says that the club's revenue was diverted to the personal bank accounts of individuals as well as to the accounts of other group entities. Now, these individuals and entities are now suspected of holding proceeds of crime. Therefore, the ED has frozen their bank accounts under the provisions of India's Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Were killed last year in December. And to get us more on this, our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report from Mumbai.
Well, that is right. In a major financial probe out of Goa, the ED has now uncovered a suspected money laundering as well as illegal foreign transaction linked to Birch by Romeo Lane, a nightclub in Goa where a fire had killed 25 people in December last year. The ED has said that initial investigations have revealed that the club generated over 22 crore rupees in the past 2 years alone, money now suspected to be proceeds of the crime as far as India's anti-money laundering laws are concerned. In fact, investigators also say that 9 people have been arrested so far in this case, including the 2 owners, that is Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra of the nightclub. And they have searched all the locations possible, specifically 9 in Goa, Gurugram as well as New Delhi, which has uncovered the fact that the club was operating without mandatory licenses as well as forged NOC, which is also called as a no objection certificate. What we also know that the illegal foreign transactions which took place, according to the investigators, have gone through group entities. So now they are also tracking the possible violations of these foreign exchanges that have happened between the group entities here in concern. Thirdly, now the probe has expanded to a larger corruption level, whether it exists, or money laundering networks, whether it exists. And all the bank accounts of these 9 accused already have been frozen by the officials. This is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.